bawal.
What you're witnessing, ladies and gentlemen, is the water search and rescue, which is one of the capability of the search and rescue unit of the 33rd CDC and CRR CDG Reserve Command, Philippine Army.
Upon reaching the individual, the rescuer secured the victim with a harness, attached the victim's line to the traverse system, and safely lifted and transported the victim across.
Mataba yung lagay niya sa atin.
Oo, yung mataba lagay sa bangka. Yung makayat yung kaya yung hangis ka.
Dapat yung mataba.
Hindi ka kaya nila yung
As rescue operations continue across the flooded area, Alpha User Team 2 found the structure severely compromised and partially collapsed by the typhoon's force. The security team will isolate and secure the area by putting out caution tapes within the perimeter. As victims are located, the Alpha User Team 2 rescue enter the impact area to extricate victims trapped inside the collapsed structure. To ensure safety, the team cleared away any nuisance or obstacle blocking access to the specified area. Prior to reaching, the Alpha User Team 2 rescue will create a viewing port to assess the interior of the structure safely. Once assessed safe, reaching team will immediately conduct breaching of the concrete wall to gain access to trapped victims using a rotary rescue saw and demolition hammer. As they reach, rescuers wear self-contained breathing apparatus to protect against dust, hazardous fumes, and potential atmospheric contaminants within the confined space. The Alpha User Team rescue gained entrance to the collapsed building, where they immediately searched, located, stabilized, and extricated the live victim. The Alpha User Team medical will then receive the victim for emergency transfer to the triage area.
Ay, nagaling siya na.
With the flood victim safely on board, the team transports the individual back to the triage, where the medics are standing by to provide immediate assessment.
Bata daw mahila pala.
The Alpha User Team's rescue is now extricating the victim.
Yan na, sakay na sila. Namutla na yun eh. Kaya ninyo yan, ayaw ko na dyan. Sabi ko, sakit ngipin ko.
Kagabi pa.
Kaya ito, na tinachani ko yung ano, namaga. Nalamigan. Yun na, tinuloyan na. Dadali niya yata sa ano. Tuluyan ang dadalhin.
Yung officer?
After all the victims are completely rescued and all work on the work site has been completed, a horizontal line needs to be drawn through the center of the entire work site triage, marking indicating that there is no further work required in the specified work center. After the search and rescue operations, a final search was conducted by the insert teams, and finally, termination was announced by the incident commander. As the dust settled and echoes of rescue faded, the user team leaders gathered the personnel and equipment for account.